I don't like making that.
Greg, this is the last time I...
Something's loose.
Yeah, that's what Cullen was doing. Yeah, right.
You might want to bring it in. Hey Bud, for your 1000th video,
yeah,
you just gotta take all the crashes and link them all together where it's just going smack, 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 into the ground, you know what I mean?
Yep.
You're clear, Craig.
Oh, that motor's
Your
all...
spinner's all...
Whoa!
No, you're making prop.
I've lost a prop.
One of them's gone.
One of the props gone.
I wonder if it didn't vibrate
Probably
off
took the
there.
motor off too.
No wonder it was making...
The motor is off?
Yeah, it is.
Look at that.
I am so sorry. I don't know what happened.
Wow. Oh God, no.
What do you think, Cullen?
Oh my God.
Here,
And
we-
it flew that well?
Not at the end.
No.
Don't.
Oh my.
Yeah, leave that. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that down so no one touches it.
Way to go, Greg.
But I think we need some repair.